Hello, it's Mike from Vitreus Art. I'd like to introduce you to my freestanding stained glass garden panels workshop. It's a hybrid of modern stained glass techniques and more traditional stained glass techniques. What you make is a freestanding garden panel. They're 75 centimeters in length total, and the glass section is about 60 centimeters. So it's a nice big piece that stands in your garden. There are 3 designs available. I've only got 2 with me right now, but this is one of those, and the other one is a sort of a wavy, curvy piece. And you get to make your garden panel in one day. It's just a one-day workshop. Everything is included, and we teach you everything. So that's everything to do with working with the zinc, which is the silver metal on the outside. We work with the lead. I teach you how to cut the glass, how to assemble everything, how to solder, how to cement, how to clean everything. It's a complete one-day course. And the difference between this and our more traditional stained glass leading classes is the zinc. That is the difference. And the point of this is it's a much more rigid metal than the lead. So if we use that on the outside of our garden panels, so that's these pieces here, that then makes a garden panel that will stand up on its own. It's much more rigid than a traditionally made stained glass piece with lead on the outside would be. We're using zinc a lot these days for commissions and student projects and windows and all sorts. So it's definitely a great way to make something that will stand up on its own, or if you're planning to make a window that's much bigger than normally the convention would suggest, which is about 80 centimeters on the longer side, then zinc on the outside edge will make your panel much more rigid. And that's what this freestanding garden panel class is all about. All of the materials are included, even lunch and refreshments. We teach you everything, including using a cool little mini electric cut-off saw to cut the zinc. So you could do it with a hacksaw, but you know, nobody really wants to do that now. So it's all inclusive, and you end up making your own garden panel, take it home, enjoy in your garden. Hope to see you on the workshop. You can book in person here at the studio or via the website as usual. And we usually do 6 or so of these classes a year. So there should be one on a date that suits you, hopefully. And we'd love to see you. Bye.